Jai Hind. Friends, for a machine, it is very necessary to provide right kind of a fuel and right quantity of fuel for its sustainability and for its longevity. And similar analogy for our body is also a machine, and we have to provide right kind of a fuel and the right quantity. And our fuel is our food, and for this we have to have a very good diet chart. We should have a very good plan which should have which should complete the requirement of our body. And it becomes very important when we are talking about the students, because they are in a certain lifestyle, they have a certain schedule where they have to sit for the long hours, and of course during those hours they have to have a better focus and concentration, and it is very much related to the food which you have taken in. So today I would like to discuss a brief to make a good diet chart for yourself, but for that I would like to advise you, don't follow anybody's diet chart, don't take anybody's advice for that. You clear your fundamentals and make your own chart, because it is very customized. Not at all necessary that if you are borrowing somebody's advice and borrowing somebody's diet chart, it may suit you, it may not. So it's better clear your fundamentals and make a diet chart for yourself. The things you need to know: first, that how much calories do you need, your body needs, and second, the food items which you are taking in, how much calories they have. I mean the intrinsic value of calories which a particular food item carries, you should know that. And third thing, how much your digestive system it takes to digest a particular food item which you are consuming. These three things will help you rather to make a good diet plan. Now see, if you are a student, definitely you must be in 20s or early 30s, and for female, for having a moderately active life, I'm not saying complete sedentary, because the number of calories consumption depends on your lifestyle, if it is sedentary, moderately active or active. So let us take moderately active. So for females the requirement is 2000 calories to 2200 calories, and for male, for moderately active male, this is around 2400 to 2800 calories. Now see this chart where I am showing that particular food items is carrying the calories in it. Now it's easy for you to take out the items and go for the summation with these much calories you need. Now see this chart carefully. These are the hours taken by your body, the digestive system, to digest these items which you are consuming. So after having these three things together, you can make a diet chart for yourself, a customized diet chart. And the few advice which I would like to share: first, that make things consume the things which are easier for your body to digest, because if you consume heavy things, then body it takes toll on body to digest, and during that period you feel heavy, you feel lethargic, definitely it hurts your concentration and focus. Keep things which is of your interest. I mean some spicy item or non-veg items, if you like it, then feature it in your diet chart. Maybe after a 7 days or maybe in a 10 days time, go for something which you like. Don't deprive yourself from taste point of view, because if you are doing this, then you cannot continue with your diet plan for long. And naturally, the day you are consuming something heavy like spicy or non-veg item, try to avoid the long sitting hours on that day, because your body needs some activities. It makes things easier for digestion. So these are the small things, friends. You can prepare a diet chart, a customized diet chart rather, for yourself. And remember, this is very, very important if you are a student. What you are consuming and the pattern of consumption is very important, and it decides your efficiency, your output, and your productivity. Friends, Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay connected, stay healthy, stay blessed.